Happy Feast, Samuel.
Wish you the same.
Jason, Happy Feast. Mike, Happy Feast. Dennis, Happy Feast.
BONIFACE. Happy with BONIFACE.
Miss Carol, Happy Feast.
Happy Feast.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen.
Vincent, Happy Feast.
Has everybody had their snacks? If anyone hasn't had it, can they please come forward? Thank you.
We have a doll right here, and we have a prize for that. A lovely box of sweets over there. So the winner gets the doll as well as the box of sweets. So there is a girl, Yasmin, so she will be going around taking entries, and the entry per name is 50p. The entry per name is 50p. You just have to make a wild guess. The clue, I'm not going to give much away, is today's get together. The clue is today's get together. I'm not going to give much away. So once again I request, if anyone would like to have some more snacks, please help us out. Thank you. The cost of a string of raffles is £1. So Miss Dina D'Souza is going around with the raffle tickets. Please be generous. Thank you.
Someone upstairs looking down there, we'll get you there more than once.
Any lady, any girl wearing blue earrings.
Thanks.
Alright, so we have a, can I just verify, can I please read? And I call upon Mr. Edgar Pinto to please hand over the spot prize to our winner, Carol D'Costa. Mr. Edgar Pinto and his family have traveled all the way from Surrey to be amongst us. Carol D'Costa. Thank you so much. So there'll be more coming up. So hold up, breath. We will be moving on to the next part of our program. We have a theme song.
Nice touch.
We Love You Goa. And we have passed on some sheets with the lyrics. We love you Goa. So we would like you to join us in the singing. Don't worry, we will sing the first verse and demonstrate, and then everyone can join in the singing. That is going to be our theme song, We Love You Goa, coming up in a few moments from now. Thank you.
Jack, how did I do?
So we want everyone to have some fun. Are you ready with your sheets? So as our musicians adjust their settings. All set, ready to go? We have a theme song
Just hold this for me.
composed specially by our in-house live group. So I'll just sing the first part so that you can get a feel of the lyrics, the melody, the tune.
Yeah. All right.
Want to be happy, come on, sing a song. Keep on smiling, keep on laughing, there is nothing wrong. If you sing and smile, you come on Sashana. Dusre tu kabu, botele pati sochana. Come on, sing, come on, sing, come on, sing, we love you, Lord. Come on, sing, come on, sing, come on, sing, we love you, Lord. That's very simple, isn't it? So you can join in once in a while. Repeat the verse for you. Very simple. Come on. If you want to be happy, come on, sing a song. Keep on smiling, keep on laughing, there is nothing wrong. If you sing and smile, you come on, Sashana. Lose strength, you come, look at it, happy Sashana. Come on, sing, 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 we love you, Lord. Come on, sing, 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 we love you, Lord. Right? So we are going to sing the entire song from the beginning. Please join us. If you want to be happy, come on, sing a song. Keep on smiling, keep on laughing, there is nothing wrong. If you sing and smile, you got no Sashana. Dusre tu kabu, botele pati sochana. Come on, sing, 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 we love you, Lord. Come on, sing, come on, sing, come on, sing, come on, sing, we love you, Lord. If you ever feel lonely, come on, sing a song. Keep on smiling, keep on laughing, there is nothing wrong. If you sing and smile, tu got Sashana. Dusre tu kabu, botele pati sochana. Come on, sing, 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 we love you, Lord. Come on, sing, 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 we love you, Lord. Please join us, please, all of you. If you ever feel homesick, come on, sing a song. Keep on smiling, keep on laughing, there is nothing wrong. If you sing and smile, you got no Sashana. Dusre tu kabu, botele pati sochana. Come on, sing, 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 we love you, Lord. Come on, sing, come on, sing, come on, sing, come on, sing, we love you, Lord. Thank you. Well, we will see you once again. But coming up is our presidential speech by Mr. Xavier Fernandez. Mr. Xavier Fernandez needs no introduction. So without wasting much time, I now call upon Mr. Xavier Fernandez.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. I had a long speech. Fortunately for you guys, I left it at home. I've got just a small speech, which hopefully we can then celebrate the feast. My dear gold friends, respected members of the community, special guests, neighbors, our well-wishers, supporters, and all those who have come to welcome us here today. It's a wonderful moment for all of us to come together to celebrate the feast of St. Francis Xavier, the patron saint of Goa. Today we meet to celebrate the joy of coming together, the cheer and happiness, and we come together in a spirit of friendship and love. It gives me a feeling of great joy as I announce that today's get-together has been possible with the wonderful and massive support from all of you beautiful people. Today's occasion is a beautiful product of teamwork and a strong community spirit. Goa is a small but beautiful place on the face of the earth. Of course, with large-hearted Goans have been traveling all over the world ever since ages past. And wherever we go and settle, we carry along with us immense wealth of culture and tradition. Incredible hospitality, and unforgettable friendship. And of course, there is a native language that is our own Konkani. It is this culture and this heritage which strongly binds us together in a spirit of friendship and goodwill. I would like to say to all of us that we celebrate this feast and it's what we can do for our own community. It's not what we could do. So let's all, in the future, come along and join in the AGM and make it a better one than this one. Now I'd like to take the opportunity to thank a few people, and I hope those whom I have forgotten, I apologize straight away. First of all, I'd like to thank the committee members and all the supporters. Flora, Michelle, Suze, for giving us their residence to practice and have meetings. The band members who have been practicing for a long time. Suze for bringing us the lovely food, which we just had the snacks and the main food that's going to be after. He's also brought along a few drinks, putting his hand in his own pocket. So if anyone wants some beers, just go and see Suze and he will give you that. I would also like to thank Dina, Michael, Zina, Carol, Michelle, well said, Michael, I've said that. And all the rest of the guys who have helped us. There is, yeah, shall we answer that form? Most of all, I'd like to thank the committee and helpers and my wife Debbie for letting me having the patience to let me go to these meetings. There are two special people I would like personally, and the committee would like to thank. They want to be in the background, they don't want to come forward, but without their support, this occasion would not have happened. Please, can rock and Beulah come forward, please? Thank you, Beulah. It is okay for what you've done. You have done a lot for us. And Rock, this is appreciation for what you've been doing for us. There's not a lot more to say, but enjoy yourself and have a good day. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. President. Thank you, all of you, once again, for being part of our celebration. We have a spot prize coming out. Anyone who comes to me first with a red bangle. Anyone coming up with a red bangle? So, can I do a countdown? 10 seconds, please. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. All right. I'm colorblind. So, the winner is Miss Leanne D'Souza. And to present this particular spot prize, I call upon Mr. John Thomas. Mr. John Thomas, please present the spot prize to the girl with the red bangle. Thank you, John. Thank you so much. Moving on to the next part of our program, as you can see on our program schedule, we have a Christmas carol coming up, with Christmas just around the corner. We have a Christmas carol, mistletoe and wine, performed by our in-house live group. Thank you. You can all the carolers sing, the old receiving, a thankful, a trusting, none deceiving. Love and laughter and joy ever after. Ask for the taking, just follow the master. Christmas time, mistletoe and wine, children singing Christian rhyme. Love's on the fire, it's on the tree. Time to rejoice in the good that we see. Christmas time, mistletoe and wine, children singing Christian rhyme. Love's on the fire, it's on the tree. Time to rejoice in the good that we see. A time for giving, a time for getting, a time for giving and more for getting. Christmas is love, Christmas is peace, a time for waiting and fighting to see. Christmas time, mistletoe and wine, children singing Christian rhyme. Love's on the fire, it's on the tree. Time to rejoice in the good that we see. Christmas time, mistletoe and wine, children singing Christian rhyme. Love's on the fire, it's on the tree. Time to rejoice in the good that we see. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you once again. We now have a poem in Konkani, and this poem speaks about, once again, our beautiful Goa. We call upon Mrs. Michelle D'Souza, please do the honors. Mrs. Michelle D'Souza.
संवसारांत असा एक ओजा पाठवे सभार शेट्टे लिपलेले सोदून काडूंक ना कोणे सोबीत सुंदर दार्जोने गिरेस्तायेन बोललेले दोऱ्याचे देगीर उबारून देवान उठणे कातुयले गोवा ओ गोवा मागाराचे गोवा रोमा उदेंतीचे गोवा बांदा तूं गोंयकारांचे रोजनारान बोल्ला देण्यांनी नेटोयला फुलां झाडांनी सुनगायला ओरीश दोंगरांनी टुरिस्टांची राणी गोंयकार गोंयकार निजाचे आमी गोंयकार परदेशी येवन गेले सगळ्यांक आमचे उठेदार पुर्तुगेज सोडून बेतोच बोलतेच जाले आयज सावकार बरे मागोन पोटाक लागोन परदेसान पावले गोंयकार सोबीत गांव व्हडले नांव पूण तुजे नमान करता गोंयकार आयज पयस पयस पावले पूण तुका विसरले ना काय बरें शीतल वारें घेवंक आमी ओट्रेकता दुडून मोडून गोरदार सोडून गोपान तुज्या मारतात दाम.
Thank you, Michelle. That was a compliment poem about Goa. We move on to the next part of our program. We have a prayer song, St. Francis Xavier in Konkani. As we are celebrating the feast of St. Francis Xavier, please join us in this particular hymn, San Francis Xavier. Singers, please come forward. San Francis Xavier. The first man or boy who comes to me is wearing a pink shirt. Anyone wearing a pink shirt, please come forward. 10, 9. So we have a tie. So I call upon Michael Cardozo to please deal with the situation here. Mr. Michael Cardozo.
The other guys doing just the same
Yes, and the winner is Xavier Costa. Well, before handing over the spot prize, I would like Xavier to say something to us. Anything he wants. The audience, please.
First of all, I would like to wish everyone a happy feast. And it's nice to see all of you here. Have a good day.
I call upon Aubrey to please come forward to present the spot prize. Aubrey, please. Come on, Aubrey. Thank you, Aubrey. Thank you, Xavier. So moving on to our next. you. That was a praise song called San Francisco Xavier. Anyone wearing a red tie? And I mean a red tie. Come on. Come on, somebody with a red tie. Move up fast. 10, 9, 8, 7. Yeah, we have a winner here. We have a winner here. We have a winner. So we have Lawrence, the winner, and I call upon Mr. Jose D'Souza to please present the sport prize. Mr. Jose D'Souza, please. Presenting the sport prize to Lawrence. Thank you, Lawrence. Thank you, Jose. Yeah. Would you like to say something to Lawrence? Thank you. Thank you, Lawrence. So coming up, as I mentioned, is our lunch buffet. And when the lunch buffet is on, we will be having some Goan traditional folk songs in the background, performed by, once again, our in-house musical choir. So, to say the grace before me, I now call upon Mrs. Vida DiCosta. So, you can please stand up.
Ladies and gentlemen, can I have your attention, please? Before we say the grace before our meal, I would like all of you to stand up and pay a 1 minute silence for Buna's mom who passed away on Saturday. Unfortunately, the funeral was today, and she's been so brave in helping around, pretending there's nothing wrong, and it would give me great joy just to have a minute silence for her, please. Rest in peace. Amen. Thank you, everyone.
We say, thank you, Lord, from the bottom of our hearts. We look at the food that has been prepared by loving and caring hands. At the same time, we look at friends, family members, well-wishers, neighbors, who love us, who care for us, who support us, and whom we love, care, and support too. All good gifts around us are sent from heaven above, and we will never forget who is our true provider. We thank you, Lord, as you bless this food and bless the hands that prepared it. We humbly ask you to bless this wonderful moment of time together. Thank you, Lord.
You can please sit down. Thank you. That was Mrs. Vida Costa saying grace before me. Can I have some music, please? There's another surprise coming up. I would like someone to come up to me and say anything you like about Goa. One thing you like about Goa and why. Yes, we have an eager contestant.
No tax and alcohol.
Georgia.
She's Georgia. Can you please face the audience, please? Yeah? So, you like Goa, isn't it? So, have you been visiting regularly to Goa? Oh, she was there in February. Yeah, name one thing you like about Goa and why?
Culture.
She likes Goan culture. That's fantastic. And the reason?
Because it's different to England.
Alright, can you repeat that again for the audience?
Pardon?
Can you repeat your reason again for the audience?
Because it's different to English culture.
Okay, that's a beautiful answer. And so our winner is Georgia today. And we request Mr. Harrison, manager from Poundland, to please do the honors of presenting our little token of appreciation to Georgia. Yeah. Thank you, Harry. Thank you, Georgia. So, moving on to some more music. Hit the music, please. The children, Santa is coming around with his goodies. There goes Santa. It is goodies and always following him. It is mobbed. Santa is mobbed. There goes goodies, Santa.
He walks on top of them.
There's another spot prize coming up, and it's for romantic couples. The first husband to come to me and say to his wife, for example, if my wife's name is Lucy, I will say, I love you, Lucy, very much. So I want this husband to come here and say that to your wife. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Alright, we have a contestant here. Sorry, Mr. Andrew. The timing is important. So, Xavier would like to say something. And I will love his wife to please come before the audience. A special moment.
Yeah, Mira, I love you very much. I will be with you here for the rest of your life.
That was wonderful. I now call upon Eileen to please come forward to do the honors of presenting the spot prize to Xavier and his beautiful wife, Mira. Thank you very much. Thank you, Xavier and Mira. Here's some more music, more center. last and final call.
Come on, ask him, Xavier.
For people who love to sit
Come on,
with
ask
us,
him, Xavier.
lunch
You told me
buffet.
no friend.
Take it now.
No, but I
We are going to
partner.
pick off the lunch
See
buffet.
my partner, Sandra.
In a minute, in a minute.
So, anyone deciding to
Can we all give a big round of applause to Ashley Masquerades?
all the children. So I would like all the children to please come forward and make an orderly line. Yeah. Volunteers, please help the children. I will request some of the volunteers to please come forward.
Even then, it's just like
Some people without whom today's occasion will not have been possible. And if I do not felicitate them today, please maintain silence, please maintain silence. If I do not felicitate these people, special volunteers, I'm not going to get a good night's sleep tonight. So I have to felicitate certain people who have worked very hard to see that this event goes on well. And to present these gifts, I call upon Mr. Douglas Hoffman to please do the honors. Mr. Douglas Hoffman is a senior teacher at Tremont Road Hospital School. He's been in the field of education for a number of years and is a very popular figure in the educational circles of Southampton. I would also like his wife to come and join him in felicitating our awardees. Mr. Hoffman also happens to be my mentor. So I would like to call in no certain order. I have not ranked these people in a particular category. They have all done different types of activities so that today's function goes on smoothly. I call upon Ms. Dina D'Souza. Thank you, Dina. Next on my list is, in no particular order, Mrs. Flora Almeida. I know she's shy. She's shy of publicity. But for my sake, please tell her to come forward. I know she's very shy of publicity, but still, this is your moment, madam. Please come forward. Thank you. I now have a wonderful gentleman, without wasting much time, Michael Cardozo. Thank you. We have another gentleman who has worked behind the scenes, but it has been all hard work. And I thank Mr. Xavier D'Souza, manager of London Express, and his entire staff and his family for helping us to stage this event. Mr. Xavier D'Souza. And it's time to felicitate our president as well. Mr. President, where are you? Mr. President. Yes, where are you? Please come forward. So, our president, Mr. Xavier Fernandez. Thank you. We have two young men who are students, in fact. They are studying at Wasatch Maritime Academy. I hope I got the pronunciation right. They are navigation students. They are come all the way from Goa. They are there in Southampton only for 1 year. But they have helped us to set up the music, to do all the rehearsals, in spite of their busy study schedule and the examinations. They have worked very hard for our rehearsals to set our music, and they were fantastic. Don't you think so? Yes, yes. And two of them, but there are many of them who have worked behind the scene. They are all students here, and without them, this event would not have been possible. So I call upon Jason Fernandez and Ashwin Landis to please come forward. They are very shy of publicity. In fact, they inform me they do not want any prizes, but they will like all of you to pray for their upcoming examinations, tough examinations coming up for them. Not just two of them, they are a big group of girls facing upcoming examinations, and they want all of you to pray for them so that they come up with flying colors. Thank you. And finally, we have a wonderful lady personality. And once again, I'm not going to get a good night's sleep throughout December if I do not felicitate her. She has been helping us right from the day we conceptualized our event. She never said no for me. She never said no for me. And I'm not going to speak much about her, but I'll just call upon her to accept our humble gift. Mrs. Michelle D'Souza. Please come forward. This event would not have been possible without her help. Thank you. That's it. Thank you, Mr. Hoffman. Thank you, Mrs. Hoffman. Hit the music, please, if you don't mind. Someone hit the music. The results of guessing the name of the doll competition. So if there are still more people willing to enter into a competition, I give you 5 more minutes. And after that, we shall reveal the name of the doll. Thank you.
Susanna.
Thank you, Michael. Thank you. That was wonderful. Thank you.
I thank Denisio because I was thinking, he was wondering what's wrong with my father when my father was dancing, you see? Thank you, Denisio. I really liked you.
So, as promised earlier, we have the results of guessing the name of the doll. And to do the honors, I call upon Mrs. Melba Sakrila to please do the honors.
The name is Shirley.
Yes? The entrance, please proceed towards us. The name of the dog has been revealed by Mrs. Melba Sakrila. It is Shirley. So, we are just verifying anyone who has written Shirley. As I informed earlier, the clue was today's event, and today's event is happening in Shirley. So the name is Shirley.
And nobody won.
Sorry for disappointing the others. I know you had high hopes. So, there is just one correct guess.
Wow.
Out of a huge number of entrants. And here he is! We found him. He was absconding. He was absconding. So, Mario is the winner of... Alright, so you have a lifeline as well. Alright, he has a lifeline there. Yes. And her name is Shirley. Her name is Shirley as well. That's wonderful. That's wonderful. And you have a wonderful lifeline as well. Yeah. So we have Shirley for you, presented by Mrs. Melba Sakrila. And there's something more. There is a box of... Oh, sweet. And there's a box of chocolates, sponsored by a well-wisher. Thank you, thank you. Thank you so much.